I'm Professor Lee of Dr. Wildlove TV. Among the top 10 antihypertensive medicinal plants, if you take this as a tea, high blood pressure reducing effect similar to exercise and diet, I'd like to introduce you cranberry flavored hibiscus tea. The effect of non-drug therapy for hypertension on reducing systolic and diastolic blood pressure are as follows. Low salt diet 5.1 and 2.7, low animal fat diet 11.4 and 5.5, limit alcohol consumption 3.9 and 2.4, exercise 4.9 and 3.7. However, if you drink hibiscus tea consistently for more than a month, your systolic blood pressure will decrease by 7.1 and your diastolic blood pressure will decrease by about 3.7. Wow, this is a really nice tea. Hibiscus is Malvaceae family annual plant. Other name is roselle. The stem is red, and although it is an annual plant, it grows up to 2 meters tall. It is widely cultivated in Africa, Southeast Asia, Australia, and Brazil. It is one of the plants with the most clinical papers on its effectiveness in improving high blood pressure, and it has antihyperlipidemia, diabetes, obesity, skin anti-aging, and immune regulating effect. This is the calyx of an immature fruit. The color is dark red light. It's very rich in anthocyanins. These calyxes are harvested before ripening and used fresh or dried. What you should know is dried hibiscus calyx. You can easily purchase it by searching on the internet. It has a sour scent. Hibiscus also makes a tea with its petals. What we are looking at now is a dried petal product. Petals are also effective, but for the best results, it's recommended purchase calyx, which contain more anthocyanins. The most popular method is dried calyx tea. Pour 250 cc of boiling water into 2 to 5 grams of dried calyx, leave for 10 minutes, and drink like tea. You can take it 2 to 3 times a day. Or put a few dried calyx, about 5 to 10 grams, in a 1 liter water kettles. You can keep it in a refrigerator and drink it from time to time. Traditional decoction teas are very good. Add 2.5 to 9 grams per day to 1 liter of water. Boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Take divided doses 2 to 3 times a day. This amount is now 8 grams. Boil water in about 800 cc for about 10 minutes. This is the daily dose. Now, hibiscus tea is complete. The red color is very beautiful, isn't it? Let's taste it. Even while pouring tea, I can feel the sour scent. The clear and transparent red color looks so delicious. Hey, it tastes almost the same as 5-flavor magnolia vine fruit tea. The combination of sour, slightly astringent, and sweet flavors leaves your mouth feeling very refreshed. If you like it sweet, you can add a little honey. Hibiscus tea must be taken for more than 4 weeks to be effective, and the effect is most evident in patients with stage 1 hypertension. Among those with high blood pressure, whether you take prescription drug or not, please try hibiscus tea.